to them. They are burning. I've been from the streets of Nairobi, and some of them are burning. Kindly tell them a word of hope. Thank you.
I have said, as I have said, two things. We are a democracy. And in a democracy, the majority have their way, the minority have their say. Number two, I have said here, the administration we are going to run is the administration that is going to serve all Kenyans, irrespective of whether they voted at all or whoever they voted for. We are going to serve the people who voted for us and those who did not vote for us, because we are going to run the government of Kenya. And the government of Kenya is going to be the government of Kenya for all Kenyans. So they have absolutely nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. We are going to serve all Kenyans equally. Yes?
Mr. President, congratulations. My dream was to be a professional footballer, but I had to kill that dream. What's your plan now that you're in power in terms of stadiums and making sure the football in this country works? Because there are so many dreams out there have been killed because of individual selfish reasons. What's your plan on that one?
The people of Kenya have made my dream a citizen from nowhere come true. As I have told you, I will work hard. You have read our manifesto on matters to do with sports, and we will work hard to deliver on our commitment so that people like yourself and many more who have dreams and their dreams stagnated or died because there was no opportunity, that we create that opportunity so that people like yourself or even other people who have aspirations like yours can also attain or make their dreams come true. That's how. That's how. Yes, one last question. Yes, give yes.
We understand that from the Constitution, Chapter 9, Article 141, the President shall be sworn in the first Tuesday after 7 days. What is this one thing that you will promise Kenyans that you will deliver within the first 100 days once you assume office?
Njenga, Wamboi. And how is Inoro, by the way? It's good to have you around, and I want to promise you that you will be treated equally like all other Kenyans. I know sometimes people think the people who really fought hard against us that we have grudges. We don't. We are Democrats, and we will work together. However, your question on the first 100 days, let me not say it today. I will be making a statement on my inauguration. Just be patient, kidogo. Sawa, Bwana Njenga. Asante. One last one. Where are my good friends from Citizen? No, it was. No, it's okay. Yes.
Congratulations on your win, Mr. President.
Thank you.
My name is Brenda Wanga from Citizen TV. I know you have said you will give a comprehensive statement a little bit later on what you intend to do in your first 100 days. You've said that in your manifesto before, but I know most of us are quite concerned and would like to know what your plans are in regards to fighting graft. That has been quite a big issue during this campaign. Thank you.
I think it's a fair question. And how is my good friend Leto, by the way? And say hello to Chemutai Goinchi. So, as I have said, I am going to make a comprehensive statement. And I want to promise you that among the things I want to do on the 100 days, one of them is going to be about tackling corruption. So expect a statement and expect there are two things that I said in the manifesto. Number one is the judiciary fund, and number two is to have an accounting officer for the police and the entire criminal justice system, so that they will never depend again on resources from the office of the president. They will have their own independent budget and an accounting officer, so that they can go after anybody that is involved in graft or in wastage or in theft without getting permission from the office of the president. We will treat those institutions as the Constitution expects us, as independent institutions. But I'm going to make a statement about on that, or as among the things that will be in my 100 days to do list. Sawa. Very good. Otherwise, I think we can leave it there for today. Mimi nataka ni waambie asante sana for coming. All the good friends from the media, thank you very much. We're going to be sharing information with you as often as we can. And I am just requesting that let's put the campaign behind us and let us look into the future together. We may all have supported different candidates, but the people of Kenya have made a choice. Sindio? Sasa tujipange tu kwenda mbele pamoja. Bas, asanteni sana na watakia baraka ya Mungu. Thank you.
So those of you that have seats, kindly just remain seated very quickly. We just have photo ops with His Excellency and the Deputy President-elect, followed by another picture with the spouses. Then we shall also have the legal team, followed by members of parliament. So, His Excellency the President-elect, the First Lady, the Deputy President-elect, the spouse to the Deputy President. Wonderful picture right there. Next, we'd like to call the legal team. So we'll ask His Excellency to just step back so that the podium is bigger. We'll have the legal team to have the next picture.
Sarafina. Nyuma kidogo bana. Photographer yetu.
After this, we're going to have party leaders take a picture with His Excellency, the President-elect and the Deputy President-elect. Kindly, legal team, resume your seats. Party leaders, party leaders, party leaders. Then it will be followed by governors. The next picture after that will be governors. Party leaders followed by governors. So we have party leaders first. Party leaders. Party leaders. Then next we're going to have governors. Governors will follow in turn. All right, governors to take a picture with His Excellency, the President-elect and the Deputy President-elect. Governors, please, would like to do this quickly, tafadhali, to redeem time. Governors. After that, we will follow that with members of parliament. Governors. Let's wait until the picture is taken, tafadhali. Let's wait until the picture is taken. After that, we have members of parliament, but kindly, let's wait until the picture is taken, tafadhali. Members of parliament. Members of parliament. This is members of parliament.
County by county.
All right, members of parliament, kindly let's have some order. Let's have it county by county.
Okay. April 26 is OTV, please. I'm requesting all members of parliament to JV to answer regions. Please, tufanye haraka tafadhali. Tuanze na coast. Let us start from coast. Where kuja hivi? Coast province. Let's move like this, kindly. Where? Boss. Please, you are not a member of parliament. Come this side. Wacha kuharibu picha.
Kindly, let's just move. Tafadhali, we want to do it in regions. So I'm requesting that we kindly just move so that the picture can be taken. Tafadhali. Kindly, we're doing it in regions. Tafadhali, tusonge nyuma ili picha iweze kupigwa. All right, kindly let everybody go and sit down. Let's all sit down. Let's all sit down. Tafadhali, tuketi sisi wote.